Hello everyone, and welcome to kind of a different video than I usually do, but I finally figured out how to fix a problem I've been having with Windows 10. And the problem was, let's see, the problem was my Windows Update wasn't working, and it hasn't been working for months. And I've been experimenting and finally have got it fixed. And it's an interesting fix here. Let's see here. Let's see. All right. So we need to get into the PowerShell. So we're going to type in PowerShell, and Windows PowerShell desktop app opens. And so now we're in there. So what you need to do is type in git dash, I think capitals actually matter in here, git dash Windows update log, and then it's going to run through this generation process that's going to build the what do they call it, a U something. It's on this list here. If you Google search Bing search, of course, because it's Microsoft, how to read Windows Update logs in Windows 10, it'll take you to the Microsoft, and then you can get the instructions directly. ETW, that's what it is. Alright, so it's created the log for us, so we're going to close down Windows Shell, we don't need it anymore. And then this is the kind of file that you're going to see. Lots of stuff in here. So while I was searching, just browsing through here, I knew that the problem was happening at the end because that's when it was failing, and then it was restarting like 5 times trying to get this issue fixed. And I looked through here, and that's when I found the error file, and it'll just be sitting in here. I've just fixed it, so the error file's not in here, but it'll look like this right here. But it won't be at the very bottom. It's going to be a bit up when the problem happened, like this right here. That's an error code, but this is a good one right there. So we're going to close that, and then search for your error code. My error code in this case was 0x90246002. So another Bing search will bring you over here. But because Windows 10 is so new, they've got the fixes for Windows Vista and Windows Server 8. And then if you scroll down further, you will see, where was it? Windows 2000 XP and Windows Server 2003. And this one worked for me. So what I had to do at this point was command, but instead of clicking on it, you got to run it as an administrator. It's just going to tell you access is denied, which is great. And I think we can do it all from here. Yeah, so you tell it net stop WUAU serve, and that will shut down the Windows update. But instead of doing what this says, where it says create a notepad document, which I did, and it did not work, you have to do it manually. So then you would go CD number 5. Nope, that's not a 5. Alright, and then system root, and then slash and software distribution, and it'll take you there. And then you need to go ren, which is rename, and then you want to tell it to rename your download folder and change it over to download.old. But I'm going to change the old, since it's working now, to download.old. I'm going to push enter, and it's renamed that file that I've already renamed. Oops. Which is now download.old. Now this is the one it will automatically replace, the one that's missing now, when you type in net start WAUSE verve. And it's Windows Update Automated User Version, I'm guessing. And then after that, just click on Start and type in Windows Update. And then it'll start downloading the updates again. I will give you an update once that 14% is fixed. Probably before I upload this video to make sure everything is 100%. So until then, have a wonderful day.